The Werner Equalizer is a lightweight aluminum extension ladder series with built-in leveling. The factory-installed leveling system requires no end-user installation. The legs adjust in small increments, up to 8 1/4 inches, to tackle any uneven ground situation. The Equalizer works on sloped surfaces or steps, while the built-in bubble level quickly indicates your ladder is level. New traction caps are built with mar-resistant padding to protect your work surface and also have tie-off slots for rags. Braided polyester rope is UV-resistant and long-lasting. The Equalizer is built with the patented ALFLO rung joint. This exclusive design provides an extremely strong twist-proof performance. D-shaped slip-resistant rungs provide comfort when standing for extended periods. The dual-action feet are designed to give you a sure-footed foundation on both hard and penetrable surfaces. The Werner Equalizer ladder eliminates uneven ground.